Yo ho, what's up people? Welcome back to another live stream. Give me a sec and there we go. Welcome back to live stream, and today we are gonna work on the same box. And before that, let's welcome you properly. Welcome back to the channel, and as we're over the road to SCP, we are trying our best to learn and understand how the concepts work and other stuff, basics I would say. So I don't know what else to say, but I hope you guys are doing good and you would like to jump in and have fun. It is fun when you're banging your head without knowing where you're banging your head. So let's get started with the today adventure. And so far we was working on the machine called something. Give me a sec, let me pull the stuff over the right place. There we go. Shut it down. Yeah, so he was working over the trick, and so far we have worked around with the trick and we was able to solve it in one way, but the way we solved is or was not an intended way. So we are gonna try and find what was the intended way to solve this, and once we are done with that, we're gonna exit from this box and gonna jump to the next box. And sorry for coming late today. I went outside with my friend, so we was discussing some stuff, but it's good. So we will continue with the live today, and let's see where we can reach. Okay, so machine is getting fired up and it died for some reason today. Give me a sec. My memory was totally full, so I had to purge some space today. And on that, what I was working on, and also I got a new project to work on. It's Android application that I need to work around, so I'm learning that too. But it is what it is for now. So we will coop this up on using the LFI, upon using the file writing functionality, and this is gonna be 1, I believe, and it should pop out. Yes. Okay, so this is on what we're gonna work today, and let's see if it will come back anytime soon. And by the time it will come back, let me fix something else too, if it will let me. Okay, it won't. Let's go to the machine. Kali got a new update, that's why the background is totally changed. And it seems that there is something messed up over here too. And if I will try to purge unwanted stuff from here, the images that I don't need, I could not purge them for some reason. So let's see what we can do about this. Ouch, my eyes. So we're gonna remove some old kernel properties. Oh sheesh. The wrong paste. Copy this double, paste it here, press enter, and says ignored, which wasn't installed. Okay. it's running over the 11 right now, so we can purge the 10 also, I guess. Linux image 10 -y, enter, and it says something is wrong. Oh, we're using dpkg. It's gonna be apt purge, and it says, okay, pretty complicated. It was eating like 100% of the memory moment back. So if I will do this, enter here, and it says couldn't find any package for these. Understood. If I will do this, I hope it will clean the remaining stuff too, which it seems already has been done. So we shouldn't have anything else to appear here. Well, how's your weekend going, guys? It started, so I can consider it's going well. Something is not right with the machine. It's taking way more time than it should. What's wrong here? And guys, if you're watching, like the stream. We'll start shortly. Boot. Okay, what's in the grub? Grub loader /i36 PC, and these are the components files, so we are good there. And I'm gonna paste these are also gone, and like the regular stuff is clean. List out the Linux images. We are having the latest one, and the last command, we're gonna upgrade the grub file here and copy this, paste it here, and we have the latest scrub. And one last restart and we'll start working on it. Okay, let's pull it back. Okay, we got new interface here too. I think the tool I used today is the reason why the whole system is so filled. Maybe. Okay, let's see if it will work this time. Open VPN, Kali, and yep, there is something messed up with this. Yep, default has been tempered. It won't be showing the IP address here anymore, but if you'll check sudo IP add, dang it, we have our IP. Okay, let's forget about that, and we're gonna give one more check here. Not, I guess this one. This is good. There was another command that was to check the size here. Yep. And now only 13 GB is left. Okay, that's still pretty low, but we have it. Okay, it's good. Something rather than nothing. Over here. Clear. Close it. Go here. And we was looking for a way to make it work, cause we found the LFI vulnerability into the subdomain that we found lastly, and that was the pre-prod marketing.trick.htv. So now we need to find a way where we can utilize the service that we haven't utilized to get the RC of the system, and the only service that I can think about here is, guess which one is it? If you're watching me from the start of this box, guess. Those who guessed it, yes, it's SMTP. Those who didn't, I don't know why you didn't guess it, bro. But nice try. And here we have good amount of users. Let's try connect with the service and see what we can find here. SMTP service. It's not on the machine, so let's put it aside, open it from here, and we're gonna use the telnet. No, we're gonna use the netcat hyphen nv space the IP address of the machine, paste, and port number 25. Press enter. 1 2 3 4 space, copy, paste. There we go. How are you? I am doing fine. What theme is that in Obsidian? Is it custom? No, it's not a custom. It's a hack the box theme, brother. Here you can see it's hack the box. Just search hack the box and you will get it. Oh, hello. Tricks.htp. No problem, sir. Okay, we are getting some people here. I'm getting a strange issue. I'm working on a machine FUF and GoBuster not working, but WFuzz worked. Maybe they have blocked the user agent, because even if you try the FUF has its default user agent that can be identified with the signature, but I hardly believe that is gonna be a case, cause it's not something that hack the box will be entertaining. So there must be some problem with your command. Could be. Yeah, right, I got that. It works further. There must be something wrong with your command then. Like, what are you trying to do with the puff there? And which box is it? Verify. It's laboratory. Give me a sec. We will check. And here we will try to pull command to expand mail list. expn, paste the user, press enter, and it says command not found. And this is weird. Help, will that work? No. Command not recognized. But will this work? Okay, it seems the session must have died. Could be a reason. Laboratory. Let's see if it's a part of our roadmap. Nope. Over here. No, it's not here too. I mean, it's not a part. Copy, paste, enter. Copy, paste, enter. And this is a command that's not getting recognized. That means we need to fix this command over here. Expand mail list name. We need to look for SMTP command list. Mail SMTP commands, SMTP cheat sheet. my SMTP cheat sheet, and there we have another cheat sheet. Let's see what we have here in the GitHub. It says expn, so we are not doing anything wrong here. Ask the membership of mailing list, so that must be root command not recognized. This means I'm doing something wrong with this command. It must, or it might not want the username there. There we have the hello mail RCTP, the sort of sapient. We're trying to echo. EXPN. Don't have this command here. So this cheat sheet is garbage. SMTP data from mail help expand and verify. Do I need to provide this itself? Not a good example here. Over here. Allow client list. Allow a client to expand email address. Over here, we might be able to get expn string expn space, and what other username we have? Mail. Not working. expn. This one. expn. There should be something good, right? What's wrong here? expn backup not recognized. We are not able to use the help also. Help this user. We don't want to perform any sort of help. He says just go hug yourself. Highly recommended, highly recommended. Even recommendations are not doing any good. Here we go again. Yep. Damn. Here we go again. We want this. I don't think this is... This is not working. Expand mail list. This does not make any sense and never will. Anything different that we can use here? Banner grabbing not gonna help. Okay. Something like this. Go here, paste it. Hello, localhost. It is pinging. Email from Michael@trick.htb. Close the braces, press enter. We got a 250. What's this about? Guys watching, do liking. At least it doesn't match the number of views and number of likes, number of share messages. For some reason, I think we have to go to the OG SMTP stuff. SMTP pen testing. This one over here. SMTP. This one. SMTP. Nothing here. About this. SMTP. Nothing's here. Over here, and this is just duplicate of Electric SMTP. This one. We are connected. Performing the bash doesn't make any sense for me. Auth NLTM 30. What's this? Authentication not enabled. Syntax error. Oh. Echo all. Okay. Now we are getting some stuff out. Enhanced status code. Chunking. DSN, which should be a DNS. And what this command do? Some SMTP servers autocomplete a sender address when command mail from is issued without full address disclosing its internal name. Still something missing. Auth brute force, we don't need that. Verify. This is not working for us. Yep. Because it's not a part of the echo, or this command is not there itself. As we can see, the command not recognized. So this command is disabled or is not there to begin with. Automating tool. DNS reports. Python code here. SMTP smuggling. This could be interesting stuff. SMTP smuggling. Outbound SMTP server. So we are sending 2 emails in a one email. This is the first part and this is the second part. EXPN not gonna work here. Connect, we already connected. Commands. Echo. Hello. Auth login message. Email from root or mail from root. It's not giving much information here. Fancy cheat sheet. It's not doing justice, right? SMTP exploitation. Ouch. Paste it, Google it. SMTP smuggling. We need something else. Enumerating and exploiting SMTP. Again, SMTP smuggling. We don't need this. Was SMTP server, simple mail transfer protocol, which is getting used for sending an emails and stuff. We're going to use stuff, some list. awesome write-up, but what we are looking for is not there. What the hell I'm missing here? My eyes are getting strained. Send email from external. Okay, dump this and we're gonna close this. Get here and see what the technique is and how we can use that. Trick HTTP, enter, go here and see trick. Are all your tutorial in order so they can be studied? You can say so, because it's sometime when I'm not in mood of Linux. I have solved some boxes of Windows too. So they're not in order, but they're in more of an exploration mode where I'm just trying my best to understand something, and at the same time I'm trying to put my best with what I know so I can implement that. And if I don't know something, then I rely on the write-up and try to understand what something is happening and how that something is happening and affecting something. So my approach, or you can say my agenda, is not to rush, but to understand why something is working and what's that something is making work out of it. So I'm in that boat. I don't want to rush for something that I have studied this, and that is totally, that's not my style. I like to understand stuff. Recipient rejected. And don't tell me, dang it, I need to update the settings. Timeout. It should be appearance. No, it won't be in appearance, then it should be in display. Advanced. Power management. Ask system. Display. Why the hell did it logged itself? Sorry, I didn't read your message. Just give me a second. I'll read it. I want to ask whether I need to be good at programming or not to be a pen tester, because I only know Python. So here's the thing. It depends totally on yourself. If you want to engage with one technology that you're good at, that's your choice. If you want to explore more domains, that's also your choice. So if you say you want to like pursue in the programming, it's not a totally restricted area. There are some places they need some script developer where you can provide your expertise in the Python and earn good money out of it. And for the hacking, if you say there's a pen tester or something, you can contribute in developing the tools and stuff, also creating your own environment and stuff. But if you'll solely stick with the penetration test or the Python, that doesn't make any sense to me, because it's all up to you if you want to explore that domain. But for those who are doing hacking or want to go to penetration, want to be a penetration tester or security engineer, they can start their career without programming as their prior skill. But when they start growing and they start looking for new projects, or when they start looking for vulnerabilities, there will be a time when you will see that there is a lack of knowledge in the programming, and that will start becoming burden on you. And when that happens, burden kills interest, and you'll start losing your interest in the security itself, and you'll start doing stuff like you'll start finding small chunks of information where you can just survive. So coding is a pretty damn required skill, even if you're a security engineer. But yeah, it is something that you can develop by time. But if you say you don't want to learn it even now or then, that's bad. I start pen tester from bug bounty. Yeah, sure, go for it. Here's the fun part of bug bounty. You have the whole month, and as per the living standard here in India, if you have got the $2,000 bounty, let's say $2,000 to INR. Dang it. Car, verify. It becomes around 1,70,000. So $2,000 per bounty for Indian standard, it is way high. Person don't need to work at all. So you can set your target for $2,000 per month for a bug bounty, and that's your monthly salary, I would say. Or this in India, it's at least 2.5 months of a salary for a normal person. So if you can get this much from a bug bounty in a single bounty, I would say you have a salary of 2.5 months here. Okay, I don't have water here. So yeah, it depends on what your needs are and how much you want to earn in certain time period, and what's your goal, and you work towards that goal. You start exploring, you start learning how some environments are working, and you're good to go with that. Bug bounty is a pretty good stuff for those who want to remain independent and they don't want to work for some company or under someone, where they just want to explore themselves. And I would say honestly, bug bounty is a good place to upgrade your skill, because in the bug bounty you always interact with something new that is totally out of the box, and that's a place where you can actually hone your skill to have a, or to become a good recon person who can like learn how the recon actually worked, even if there are some limitations set, and that'll make you understand how you can work around in those environment. And if you're getting this much, $2,000, I am good for a month or two. And $2,000, we can buy way too much in India. I'm not sure about your country, how much it is gonna cost there. But yeah, targets are always good and you can explore more based on that. Clear. CD, med, tricks. Clear. Okay, back to the place, and we're running the same stuff. Weaver was thrown out, and after that we try to brute force the same thing, and we found some names and stuff. Here's root, nobody, we just terminated in between, so he didn't got the user Michael for some reason. Again, dig, one more dig, and there is another dig with XFR, which is a zone transfer. And when he performed the zone transfer, even we found some other domains here. Then he fuzzed around the domain itself and got nothing. Fuzz around the host. Michael. Okay, here is something. Alpha as a Michael. Shell via mail include. Okay, that's the interesting part. How we got it. Marketing mail subdomain. Yeah, we did the same thing. See? Where is it? Alex, you're watching? So here, he did the same thing what I did. We found using the SQLite injection, and we was able to read some stuff from there. And he also used the SQL map to read the files. And using the same method, he also read the Nginx site enable defaults, and when he read that, he found that there is another subdomain which where he found the another domain which is pre-prod marketing, and this is, we are talking about the Nginx configuration where we can set the route for some request or certain pages if we don't want to put everything in one place. So here we decide routes and which route will bring the index page or other endpoints for someone who is trying to utilize that certain service or certain endpoint. So I believe we did the same thing, and here we found the pre-prod marketing.trick.htp, and if I will go here, new domain, looking here, the same stuff, we found it in the same place. Nginx site available default, and where did he found? Yeah, enable default, it's the same place. And after some time, We are fuzzing. He found the same thing again, marketing, and he fuzzed over a single. Who's messaging me right now? He fuzzed over the single character, I would say, or the word, which was pre-prod, and you can also try it in the real life. Those who are watching and said, especially you, Newman, I believe, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. Newman. I'm sorry, brother, if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So here's a trick that you can also try in fuzzing, or when you're trying to look for subdomains. If you found that there is a certain domain that start with the prod or enterprise, or like that has a carrying name where you can say that this can hold a combination of string and can work on further. So this is a trick you can use. You can try to fuzz around that certain host and look for the subdomain that are there, but it's not visible to everyone. So this is another trick, and most of the people like forget about this when they start doing the assessments. I used to do that, but now I work for a company, so I don't need to do that because I already have a list. So here's the trick which you can utilize, especially when you'll see pre-prod, prod, dev environment, or something similar that you can utilize. So this is a trick. Use it if you ever encounter something similar. And here on the same pre-prod marketing, we went down and tried directory traversal. We also failed, and after lurking around, we did the same thing. We also read the file because I was also stuck, and I thought, let's read the index file. So we did that, and in the index file we found the same thing as he found, and the stuff was getting filtered, or we say it was getting removed when we were trying to put something in there. And here how it's working. I can explain. Where is it? I can now explain why all previous attempts failed. The directory traversal with an absolute path failed because the input was prepended with this, makes it so route is becoming like this, which does not exist, and because of that we was getting a failed attempt and error. And over here, directory traversal with relative path failed because of the string replace call, which removed all the dot slash, and if we put anything like this, it will be replaced or removed with the not removed, it will just put the file name first. So over here I try to, okay, this is another technique in the word PHP where we can set the filter and convert the certain string to the base 64, or the input that we're trying to give here, like index.php, it will be converted as a base 64 and trigger it. I don't remember it clearly, but if we are encountered it, I will check on it again and maybe try trigger again. And directory traversal, string replace to remove double slash in common and insecure way to try to prevent local file inclusion. Directory traversal vulnerability, the problem is that string replace only applies once. That means if I put a bunch of in a string. When it removes, that leaves this. For example, so what's happened here? It's just trying to remove this, but if we'll add bunch more, it won't be matching this. So if something is not matching the certain criteria, it will get removed. So once this will become something like this, for example, let me show you what I'm saying here. So if I will say // I'm trying to filter this, right? So whenever it was, yeah, this is an interesting machine. So whenever I am putting the // if I will put // etc/hosts, because of the filter or that replace string function, it's gonna replace this and it will be removed and it will become like this, etc/hosts, and this is not a path. Because of that, it is failing. But if I will do something like this, now what it will do, it has identified that this is the filter that it need to remove, and it's only getting performed one time, not multiple times. So it identify that this is the combination that it was able to match. So what happens now? This much portion got removed, but these two dots in the starting and this single slash didn't got removed. And when that happened, it was successfully able to trigger this. And when this happened, we were successfully able to perform the LFI there. So I hope this is clear why this filter not work when we was trying to perform the LFI, or I would say why it worked when we performed the LFI with this. And also I also found this filter over the payload of all kind of payload. I'm not able to remember. Payload of all things. Yeah, over here. It was mentioned over here too. So that's why our payload worked and we was able to trigger the LFI there. Is it clear, students? Why I'm saluting? I don't know. Okay, so this far we worked and we was able to get the LFI. Now this another method that it says shell via mail include. I guess till here everything is gonna remain same, and we have already reached here. So okay, got it. I didn't saw this coming, but let's see. SMTP enumeration, we already have passed this stage because it was already work done, so who cares? Walk. Okay, we have this tool. What's this tool do? Hello? To localhost? Trying to connect the localhost but failed. Whatever. TLDR SWAKS walks. And we have deliver a standard test mail to user on port this. Deliver a standard test mail here. Authentication and stuff over the auth part. Test a virus scanner using this in an attachment. Don't show the message data part. Test a spam scanner using GTube in body and stuff. Okay, that means we can use this service to send the emails. Got it. So what happened over here is ignore this message and war mail Michael. Okay, this is a bit interesting. We can read stuff here. Let's try literal, paste, single quote, enter. It didn't print anything. It says request completely set off. The another method was after SSH. Them was after SSH. That means the another method was after SSH. That means after SSH. After SSH. Didn't catch you there. From here. Shell as root. Talking about when we already got the shell. You're talking about there? Yes. After getting the SSH via directory traversal. The other method was after. We didn't try that because we can use the lint piece there and that can show you multiple ways how we can perform the privilege escalation there. There could be a file, there could be machine or something. I am not able to understand this. The another method was after SSH. That means try to make sense. Try to make sense. Okay, I am brain dead. I don't know what you're trying to say. Please try to make it not way too much elaborated, but something which I can understand. Yep, after getting the IDRSA key, we already got it from here itself, which is a developer mistake. It didn't block us, or the whoever created this machine, that person didn't block us from accessing the IDRSA, or that should have been restricted, but that person cannot restrict that IDRSA because right now we're performing the action as Michael, which is a primary user. So if that user is performing some sort of action and that user had the IDRSA key there, and if that IDRSA key is for that certain user, so it's common sense that that user has the permission to access that. So that's why it was able to perform the SSH connection there. So we cannot do anything with about that. Yeah. When will I sleep today? It's a weekend and tomorrow I have a holiday, but I have some moving to do. And what else? I have to take my mom to the doctor. I need rest myself because my lumbar or my tailbone is hurting because I sit around. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna sleep when I don't feel like I'm sleepy. What do you want? Should I sit around for... I can sit around today. Okay, this is interesting. This is interesting. This is actually interesting. Okay, let's read this email here. To the Michael from this user. which doesn't mean which user is this. So subject is testing and bodies ignored the message server and it went there pretty well. Now ignored this message. Does it contain any sort of PHP payload that is getting executed there, which is helping him to perform the command injection there? I'm also staying awake and trying to find that puff error. Still, I don't know what's wrong there. Can you drop your fuff command so I can give a look? I just hope the Nightbot don't do anything stupid to remove stuff. Over here, we have ignored this message. Okay, got it. So here he put it the PHP system request CMD, and when it called that, it used the CMD command injection here to perform the command injection. That's a pretty damn good idea. Okay, we will log it. Do you want me to perform it? Which will be a waste of time. This has nothing to play right now, but keep reading or jump to on using LFI. After that, there is going to be this, then this means this has to be pawn using the SSH here, not SSH but SMTP. SMTP, this one. I guess we can remove this. Don't tell me they messed up something here. Ah, shit. Okay. Got it. Going to be hashtag SMTP. This one. I'm also trying wait. Did you look? I look where? No one is here. Ouch. The command. I didn't got any command. Or is it filtered? It might have got filtered. I'm pretty sure about that. Try to send it as a base 64. Maybe that will help. Share it as a base 64. Ouch. Damn, pain, 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 pain. Whoa. So much pain. Shit. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch. Damn. Seems my days are counted now. Okay, here we got a good amount of user. Try connect with SMTP server and see what we can find. This is not there. This has nothing to play right now, but keep reading or keep reading to keep reading for now towards that's where it's going to be handy. Okay, so we gonna jump here. Is that also filtered? I believe yes. Let me check. Damn it. Ouch. We need a place where you can send stuff, right? Insta? No, not Insta. Let's see. Twitter. Yeah, Twitter will do. Go for it. Twitter. Or the X. Here you can share. This is the another garbage platform that I am seeing. This is just another porn platform now, which is legal. Okay. Understood. The new growing porn application. If I'll just click one of these, I don't open this stuff, but let's see. Make any sense? And I don't know why I'm getting this in my notifications. And there are dumb fuck people, those who actually comment here and that has views. Because of that, it keep rotated. 23 people has commented on it and 3 has retweeted. 22 people has liked it and 1 has bookmarked it. Does that make any sense? Made this mistake of opening my Twitter account around a bunch of middle school yesterday, and it's safe to say I'm now the favorite middle school mom. Like, people are going crazy. Total dead brain people, I would say, rather dead brain, they're total brain rot. This is not worth platform anymore. Just send a message if you like. I'm up here. You can send it anytime. And I can read it here. Okay, back to the business. As we have the user name and other stuff related to the SMTP connection, we can try send the email and try read that email using the LFI, and with the same we can try perform command injection or PHP injection. Command injection or PHP injection. There we go. Adult content grabs attention. It's everywhere now. That's why I said people are brain rot. People don't have control on themselves if they keep going down in this dirt. As we have the username and other stuff related to the SMTP connection, we can try send the email and try read that email using GLFI, and with the same we can try perform command injection and PHP injection. Okay, so let's give it a shot and send email to the user Michael. And read it from its localhost, from its message pen. I guess that's the word. So here we go. How did it work? Yeah, we performed the same stuff. We don't have this set of command, so we're gonna copy this command and paste it here. So we gonna use the tool swax and send the email to Michael user. we have all the stuff here, and we're gonna say Kali and wrong password. Machine is suffering. Paste the command. Okay, it's not pasting. Paste. Instead of XDF, we're gonna DTC. Press enter. We got a quote. Quote of what? Okay. Exclamation. We will go with a single quote here, like this. Now this has become the string, and if I'll click enter, it is connected and send it. It has been sent, and if I will read it now, we have the message. Boom. Okay. It seems there is something messed up. Damn. I'm not able to perform any sort of copy paste bidirectional. Yep. Machine has been messed up. Damn it. But the good thing is we just need to connect with the VPN and we can perform the same action again. So let's give a quick restart. What's your name on X? It's same, 0xDTC, I guess. Or the other way, 0DT @DTCX0. I wasn't able to find this username. This has been already occupied by someone. 0xDTC. I don't know who owned this, but I cannot have this name for some reason. Let me try and see if I can now. Profile. Set it here. Edit profile. Name is going to remain same, so we want to go to the privacy and setting, account information. It's asking for the password. Password is gonna be this. Confirm. Username 0xDTC. Save it. Yep, it's saying the same. See, if I will do 0xDTC, try to save it. This has been taken. So like this. Your rate limited. Please wait a moment and try again. You're getting it? This has been messed up. Screen name. Ugh. Spam it. Can be messaged. What's your username? I'll send it. I'll send you a message. Tell me your username. Search. Setting and support, privacy, account information, username. Done. This is a problem. Okay, hello. 1, 2, F. Search. Okay, my bad. Wrong spelling. Capital H. The case sensitivity give a damn here. At. Are my eyes dead? There we go. And we should be able to message. No, I won't be able to message you. So, because of this, I'll log on my profile. Privacy and settings. Security manage. Okay. Now check. Now you should be able to send me message. Just change these settings. This should have taken effect now. Try send the message now. Open VPN. Collie. We're connected. Back here. CD. Media. Trick. Clear. Back. We are sending stuff here. And I should call this. Cause the okay. I need a V now. Enter. Okay, this means system has cleaned the request that I have sent. Let's see in the message. I haven't received it. Try send me message. Can't be messaged. You're on privacy, bro. Under 18 or something. This place is messed up. Yo. And instead of double quotes, we need a single quote, so it consider as a string, a strict string. This platform is bad, pretty bad. Copy this. Get here. Paste. I want to fix DTC because it should look like I am the one who is sending here, and DTC. And if we check on the Michael account, or in its mail folder or mail file, we can read the message that we have sent there on his account. Ouch. Read it using the LFI. Now, what we can do is we can try either adding the captcha is also not being solved. What the hell is wrong with the platform? This platform need a new CEO. Bro need to sell this platform. He's not worthy for this platform, although there is a freedom of speech, but in the end he's also a government person. I don't want to say this, but okay, who cares? I don't give a damn. Adding the PHP command or PHP RCE that will execute when we'll run LFI on this file again, because of the function include in PHP. We know that whatever will get called in there will be executed without question or error. So we're gonna run the what RCE here using the same technique. by sending the PHP RCE payload on the email. And this time it's gonna be something like this. Paste it again. Or like this. Select it all, paste it again. We'll go here. Or the RCE. We gonna select the PHP. Pentester monkey, that's the pretty tough. We just need that. Ignore stuff. Instead of double quote, we're gonna go with the single quote. So it is considered as the string, and we're gonna remove unwanted stuff till here. And till here. Single quote. Over here we're gonna add the bash RCE. Copy this, go here, paste it here. Guess we need the double quotes in here. Now that this has become a full-fledged, let's change this. PHP RCE 0x etc. Copy till here. Over here, if I will call it back, is it still there? And no, it's not there because this has been cleaned. That means we can clear this, paste new stuff, and click enter, and this should send. Also start the netcat listener where we'll get the RC. Netcat -lnvp 9001. Before calling the LFI. Netcat hashtag listener pipe, and there we go. Copy, paste, enter, and over here press. It didn't reach there. I did wrong. I did something wrong. Pretty damn wrong. Oh, maybe because I'm not running it over the browser. Could be a reason. Because some stuff need a place to render. If I will paste it here, send it, and we didn't got any output because that has been removed. We will go back, copy this whole, paste, enter over here. The moment it will drop, go. Okay, it went, and refresh. We got stuff here, but the PHP didn't trigger. Yo, what are we missing? PHP system bin bash -i, the IP address and stuff. There was okay, what I did wrong here. Here I just go with this CMD. I'll feel bad. Paste. Copy. Over here. Copy this. Meow. Enter. Wiped out. Send it back. Meow. Full screen. Go here. Question mark. CMD is equal to ls. Meow. Meow. Something is wrong here. Meow. Oh. Okay. This is what's wrong here. Meow. It wasn't able to build his body. Over here, over here, over here. Enter. Okay. It wasn't a question mark, it was and. Press ls. This is a working OS. This is a working OS. Yo. Boom. Okay, we say that this didn't work. The problem is why it didn't work. What if I will do something like this here and paste it here, right? A single quote or socket and some other stuff. Double quote, double quote. Copy this, paste it here, send it, and this is saying the bad interception. But if I will do this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one more. Okay, let's try this. Base 64. Copy. Over here. In here we got this single quote. Single quote, it's gonna be echo pipe base 64-d pipe bash. If I will copy this, go down, paste it here, press enter, and go. This has been sent, and if I will call this file now, it's not triggering. I think I know why it's not getting triggered. It is because it's not under the PHP tag. Question mark PHP. System. Braces. Double quotes. And double quote bracket. Question mark. No. This space question mark. Close. Read it again. Okay, so this is one time kind of stuff. Ouch. You're able to send message again. Well, I don't see any. That means you got exhausted and stopped trying, which is good. It's not worth it. Call again. We got it. We got it. It wasn't working, but we made it work. Baby. We made it do the work. Although I'm pretty sure this is not a stable shell, or it's not. It is working. Damn. It is working. So we gonna go all the way up. Copy this. Drop this in somewhere junk, cause we don't need it anymore. Copy this. Hi, brr. Brr, brr, brr. Brr, 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 brr. What's up? Yo, Nightbot said, welcome to the stream. Thanks, Nightbot, for being there. I don't know why people don't read themselves nowadays. So here we go, here we go, here we go. We got the access, we got the access. We made it run. And here we go. Mission successful. Presence of mind. Delete. Oh shh. There we go. Now the Prevesk. It's same for all the parts, I guess. So go for it. That's what you'll read next. There. So with this, boom, we have our box finished. Shall we start in the box? I don't know who's watching, but what do you say? Shall we? Shall we start the new box? People are going crazy here. Whoa, whoa. I guess everyone is gone, so no one is watching. We can clear this and this. Cause with this, our box is finished. And if we go here, what have we exploited? There was a command injection, there was LFI, but this time LFI will change LFI. There we go. What was the next? Zone transfer, DNS. Okay, zone transfer. What's extra we did? Code logic exploitation. Script logic compromise. So yeah, it was a logic compromise that we were able to bypass the LFI filter. So that was logic compromise. I don't know if this is even a real term. That's what I have set it for myself, and there is a script and you can compromise its logic. Command injection is there. We use the SQL map. We use the SMTP. We have used the FOF. We have used the SQL map, SMTP, FOF. Tool use, fail to ban. Compromise, fail to ban. That was exploited. Yeah, we need the CV for this exploit. So I'm pretty sure this might have the CVE related to this. add minor for escalation via Gumpy. Well. We have something here, but this don't have the CV mentioned here. Pretty bad. Okay, someone has his website over the WordPress. Very cool. No terminal carb roasting. Holy heck challenge. And this is from the Sans. Yeah, it's from the Sans. We have it mentioned here somewhere, I believe. Yep, over the medium. This might have the CV. Well, this don't have the CVE here. Okay, then we can only go with this. Constraint thread and stuff. Okay, with this our another box is finished. So let's move to the next one. Tartar sauce. Ugh. And it's gonna be the lab. I hope we are on right place. Lab. It's medium. It's OSCP. It's Linux. It's something more. CD dot over here. Clear mkdir. Tartar SAUCE sauce. CD tartar sauce. Clear. Collapse. Create a new one. Create day to day. Video live. Machine URL. That's needed to be opened. Tartar sauce. Oh, we need to terminate this box. No message. Terminate this box. We are doing good. Guys, you just come and watch. You don't like. That's hurts. That's pretty bad. Like the stream. Wait. Trick. Okay. Has been terminated, right? Yeah. Okay, so I totally forgot that the trick wasn't a part of the OSCP side. It was just a request from Alex, which has been fulfilled. Now we're back on the tartar sauce, and let's see what we have here. Paste it, the URL. This doesn't make any sense to be a domain name though. HTTP. Go here. It'll fire up anytime soon. By the time it is getting triggered. Subscribe, people, subscribe. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. This should have been started by now. Why is it still spinning and spawning? This is bad. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. That would be pretty helpful. Joys come from inside. Yo, what's you guys are doing? Whoever is watching, I don't know who's watching though. All I can do is read the message. I cannot see who is watching. Whoa. I'm getting sleepy. Give it to me already. Do 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 do. This is waste of time. I don't know how much time it's gonna take. And the good part is many people have conquered the user pawn, but they never went for the root pawn. They need to work on this. I don't know if they ever will do it. And this box has pretty damn good rating, which is 4.3. And dang it, we got the IP address. Paste it. IP address. Tartar sauce over here. SH. Back to the machine, and this is getting irritated cause it is closing the stuff. Sudo clear. Sudo host manager or manage host. Enter. Collie. Add new host. Okay. Copy the IP address, paste it here. Copy this, paste here, enter, cancel. And copy till here, paste it here. Now we gonna do copy this, paste it here, and paste it here. It's the Linux, so we can wipe out some stuff from here. Or I would say everything, cause it's gonna be the txt dot md. There we go. We'll get the output in the markdown, and we gonna provide tar puff. First come, first serve. Clear this, paste, enter, and let's see what the nmap has to say. And we will jump from here. By now we should have got more ports, but it seems there is only port 80 open. That means we have to exploit the web-based vulnerability that can help us get the RCE. With that RC, we gonna need to perform the privilege escalation. So let's go. We cannot do much here. You guys drop the like. This is exhausting. Damn. Give me a sec. Okay. We got our netcat output. So let's go here. And I was right. We don't have anything other than 480, which means we are going copy this. Yep, ma'am. Bro, ladies get offended. Men also get offended. But whatever. Okay, so we have 480. We have some web server that's running the tar, and there is a source, and this information we got from the disallowed entries. That means what I can understand is nothing. Okay, what I can understand is there has to be some sort of other endpoint after these endpoints, for which either we need the post request or we need to run another tool that can help us fetch these other endpoints, or maybe there is some way to perform a certain vulnerability that can help us get something, which I don't know. So we have only one port, that's 80. We need to fetch Okay, we don't need to fetch anything. We need to so we have only one port. That's it. Let's try visit the web page on browser, and in the background run the puff scan, and by the time we'll explore the website, we might get the results from the puff scan. Okay, we need to update this and update this. Yep. So we're gonna copy this, paste it here, press enter, and let it go wild. While we need to filter any garbage request that's come here, and it's gonna take a damn big sweet time. Robo.txt, we already know there is a web services. That's excellent. It was able to find that. That means it is gonna go to a pretty damn big loop rabbit hole with directory within the directory, I believe. So we can wait, or we can try reach this service by ourselves, which is gonna be a tartar something. Press enter, and it's loading. Guys, like the stream, man. I hate it. Yo. What's going on here? 45,000, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3. I'll get sleepy if I'll keep counting it. And it's keep rolling. Guild darts. Any good episode today? Which we can watch? We are poor people. That's why we visit this website. Ain't nothing here too. Machine was going crazy here for a minute. Okay, let's close this. Open new browser. Paste the host. Copy paste. Okay. It's not accepting its fate. Oh sheesh. Copy. Paste. Enter. Damn. Whoa. Will it ever open? I doubt. I need to provide the IP address here instead of the host name. I don't know. Press enter. This one worked faster. And we got a bottle of shampoo. View page source. Nothing here. If I visit this, that's a mess. Copy this, go here, paste it here, press enter, and it seems there is no host name with this. This means we don't need any sort of host name to be added there. All we need to do is just perform the copy / paste enter web service. We got anything? We don't got anything. Web services. We're not getting anything here. Okay, that means we can remove this crap from here and directly go to the IP address. Paste. 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 Copy. Cancel. Clear. Paste. Enter. K.php. That's weird. Let's see if it can find the root.txt. Robot.txt has been found. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is a progressive one. I like it. It's just you guys are not progressive and you don't like the stream. That's what I don't like. There is no tartar sauce or something. Got it. This is a 1 and we need to remove it from here. Sudo manage hosts here. Curly. Remove the existing entry. We're gonna remove 28th entry. From here, entry has been removed. Now I don't want to remove any other entry. Close it. Clear, and we're good. Now this is going a bit faster, but we're not able to land on any other page from here. But if I will go to the place of which I don't know about, /robots.txt, press enter, and my guess is we gonna perform the LFI over these endpoints one way or another. So let's wait where it can take us. This has 5 disallowed entries. That means we are eventually going to tackle with these endpoints. So that means, okay. There is something that we are not aware about. Tartar sauce. Tartar sauce. Is there anything? And this is what we have got. The bottle of shampoo. Or as per the machine, tartar sauce bottle. Well, we got the screenshot. Don't tell me it died again. Bidirectional stuff. Yep, this is dead. The bidirectional copy paste is dead again. This machinery need a restart. And the good part is that we are saving this FUF output into something that won't spill this stuff here. Yep, this is better. Fuzz, URL, redirection, position, stats code, content length, content word, content line, content type, duration, file results, scrap data, puff hash. Whoa. How much time is it? 2 hours and 3 minutes. So I guess we'll let it run. Let it enjoy without touching. And we'll continue this tomorrow. What do you say? I don't know who's watching, but what do you say? Shall we continue tomorrow? And I also need to check which box is going to expire tomorrow so we can do the live for that if it's in my capable hands. Yep, we can do live for this. Kata. We have the option and this has been solved so we can work on the Titanic. I can give a shot. Challenge 22. In a span of 1 week, we have owned many users but less of a system users. OSINT is fun. I'm thinking to start one of these two fortress someday. I got 2 likes. Thank you, whoever did it. I got 3 respects. That's wonderful. File scored 26. Badges. Activity. What's Clown House Team's activity? We have 2 points. Points needed for next rank bracket. Okay. 2 points. I don't know. I'm the only one who's pushing here, so I cannot say anything. Activity members are dead. One-time player, 8-time player, 6-time player. Unranked, 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 and unranked. Anybody wanna join the team? We'll add them later on. Yo ho ho. Okay, this is going to take time, so we gonna work on it tomorrow. So with that said, I'll see you guys to the rest of your great day, and maybe if you're in the same region as me, that's what I always say, but it is now my slogan kind of thing. But if you're same reason as me, have a great rest of your night and have a great sleep. And if you're in some another region where it's day, have a great rest of your day and enjoy it your fullest, because it's just another day without worrying. Just have fun. So with that said, I'll take my leave. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're old and new, like the stream, share it with others if you think they can have a good experience or anything else from here. Then share it with others. It doesn't matter if they are developer, if they are hacker, if they are blue team, red team, or whatever they do. If it is something helpful, they can have a great chat bait or something. Share it. And I guess that's it. So with that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great time. And drop a comment if there is any problem. I'll try to answer in the stream itself. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a great time.